Let's say you would like to add music to your Instagram stories, but you simply don't know how to do it. Hey everyone, my name is Tim and in this video I'll show you how you can do this very easily, so let's get started. Okay, so first off, head over to Instagram and go to your profile page. To create an Instagram story, click on the little plus icon in the right top corner. Then select story. You can create a story on the spot or select pre-recorded footage. Click on the gallery icon on the left bottom corner and select the video you would like to have as your Instagram story. In this example, I'll use a video of my cute cat being cute. To add music to your story, click on the smiley sticker in the top menu. Then you should see an option that says music. You can also search for music in the search bar just in case you don't see it. Make sure you select it, and now you'll see a list of music you can choose from. You can scroll through recommended music in your For You tab, or scroll through music in the Browse tab. For now, I would like to search for a specific song in the search bar called Summer Days. Once your preferred song pops up, select the song. Now the music is added to the video and you can edit the music in your story. You can choose a section of the song by scrolling left or right in the horizontal soundbar on the bottom. You can also easily change the way the subtitles are shown by scrolling left or right above that. You can even replace it with a visual tag of a song. Once you're satisfied, click on Done in the right top corner. You can reshape and relocate the visual tag the way you want to. To change it back to subtitles, simply click on the visual tag and scroll back to your preferred subtitle style. You can also change the colors of the subtitles by clicking on the color icon in the top of the screen. Again, once you're happy, click on Done. And again, reshape and relocate the subtitles the way you like. Let's say you would like to have only music and no visual extras. Simply drag the subtitles or visual tag out of the frame. Once you're satisfied with your story, you can publish it through the bottom options of the screen. And now we added music to our Instagram story. However, Instagram doesn't have a feature where you can add music to a video meant for your Instagram feed, so I'm gonna explain to you how you can easily do this with a simple online video editor. In this example, we're going to VEED.io. You can create an account for free. Or click on the first link in the description to go straight to the website. Once you're on the homepage, click on upload your video, then click on upload a file, select your video clip and click on open. After a short moment, your video is imported. Okay, first we're gonna change the aspect ratio of the video to make it fit for the Instagram feed. To make this happen, head over to settings in the left menu and under size you can choose between multiple dimensions. In this case, I'll choose square for the Instagram feed. And then to make the video fit, click on the video itself and click on Fill the Canvas. Then easily reposition and resize the video by clicking and dragging the corner and side options of the video, just like so. To add music to the video, find Upload on the left hand side, then click on Upload Audio, select an audio or music file from your device and click on Open. Now, as you can see in the timeline, the music is added on top of the video. The video is shorter than the music, so I'll choose a section of the music I would like to keep. With the help of the playhead in the timeline and the pause and play option, I'll choose a section that I like. To trim the audio, click and drag both sides of the audio file so you filter out the piece you would like to keep. Along the way, make sure you drag the audio file to the left side of the timeline so it syncs with the video. Then click on Fit Timeline on the right to create an oversight. Now the music is added on top of the video. To lower the sound of the original video, click on the video file in the timeline and lower the audio in the menu by sliding the settings to the left. To remove the audio in its entirety, you can click on the audio icon to mute it. As a bonus, you can choose to add text, emojis, progression bars and more. But for now, I'm satisfied. To export the video, find the export button in the right top corner and on the preset, find your recommended export settings. In this case, it's for the Instagram feed, so I'm choosing this one. Then click on Export Video. After the video is rendered, click on the Download MP4 button to download the video straight to your device. And that's it for this video. Please give it a like if it helped you out and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. If you have any questions or a very nice thing to say, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section so we can get back to you. For more helpful tips and tricks, feel free to watch our other content on this channel. For now, have a nice day, good luck and see you later.